Hello there to crochet enthusiasts, cozy connoisseurs, pet parents, and crafty individuals. I'm Jenna, the creative mind behind Beautiful Design Crochet. I'm here to teach, inspire, and create a welcoming community for us crochet artists and people wanting to learn. I have always been a creative person, and that being said, I initially started out as just the regular art student wanting to do drawing and painting and stuff with glitter and all of that as a kid. In high school, I moved on to more graphic design, media arts, video making, and things like that. Initially, I wanted to follow that on into college, but I decided to take another route. In college, I studied ceramic engineering, which I know sounds really specialized and you might not have heard of it, but that's another story for another day. Got my bachelor's degree and then moved on to get my PhD in material science and engineering. It's very similar. And while I love the scientific work that I do, it's very technical and engaging in that way, I needed a creative outlet. So I got into crochet. The thing that has inspired me to create what I create is the women's fashion industry. I would like to add to that so that we could have non-discretionary styles so that everybody can feel welcomed in some sort of feminine light. Other inspiration I have for my channel is my dog Teddy. This is Teddy, and he sits with me while I crochet. I make things for him. I make sweaters and covers for his collar, and we also like to support other artists that do things for our furry friends as well. So for as long as I can remember, I've always been a creative person, whether that was through just regular like kids making art or graphic design, and now in the fiber arts community. And I hope with this channel we can foster some connection and creativity throughout the crochet and knitting community. I hope that with my background being in a technical field, that it's scientific, and I did a lot of engineering work, that helps me to understand where another creator is coming from. So if I can look at somebody else's pattern and really think about why they did something the way that they did, or why they wrote something the way that they did, I think that's very important. I think that's a very important skill to being a part of the fiber arts community and really being able to improve my talent as well. I like to think that my background allows me to tackle complex projects. However, I know I need a little more practice in the execution of those ideas. And I hope that in this community we can work to accomplish that together. If you're ready to dive into the world of crochet, to share patterns and explore different techniques, please subscribe to my channel and join fellow makers just like you. Thank you. Let's crochet something cozy together.